No! Really? I'm being nice to you. Why would you do that? That's not nice. Okay.
Huh? Is that why you're laying on the kitchen tile? You're so...
So you've got a magnificent pair of bananas. Oh, great heavens!
Oh my god.
I hate it. And when I think about how bad things have gotten, it just depresses me. Because
So you must go.
Oh.
Alright, I'm going. Hope there's no kitties in my bag.
Make eye contact with me. Whoa!
Krieger. Why are you so bad?
What? What is it? Wait, no biting. Oh.
Can you meet it though? Is there room for Mama there too? Is there room for Mama? Where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay. Good morning, Snowball. Ow. Come on, girl. You got it. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Come on. You don't like your jammies? Oh my god. I always knew one day I was gonna catch you in bed with somebody else.
What? It's a man. It's a small man wearing a tuxedo. How can you blame me?
Is it? Who's this?
Сундучок.
Rich. Swing. On his side.
Huh?
La nota es demasiado breve.
Huh?
Hey, Garfy, Garf.
Shark, you hungry?
What? Ma'am. Down here, little shits.
No puede ser.
Pois é, olha, lite balans katten ändå. Ja.
Let them eat. You're big enough. Look at them. They're tiny. Let them eat.
Raggy!
Huh?
Stop!
Nope.
You do not want to come in here.
He just wants to sit with you. Let him sit with you.
¿Cómo se te ocurre, Dui? Dui.
You have to go to bed. You have to get off the couch.
No.
Ты чё, блядь? Он вообще
You ready to go to bed?
Who are you playing with, sweetie?
Amanda.
Oh, who are you?
I'm Amanda. I'm 6.
No! No! Hey! That's my burrito, and now you put holes in it. Hey! Oh my god!
Do you want a purr pop? Hello. No! No!
Yaş sırası olan var mı?
Huh?
You ready to go to bed? What do you mean no?
Ow!
Don't look at me.
Hey! Oh, come here. Pidgey, come here.
Non di quell'azzardo di tua figlia al governo! Di quella bastarda di figlia al governo che c'è a Milano!
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, stay away. You're in my zone. Back up. Back up. Nope, back up.
All night, it's gonna be me.
I want that room, Gina. You can't push me around.
Knock!
If you had a bad day and you're feeling shitty, you gotta get yourself a cabinet kitty.
You're crazy!
You can't handle the uber instincts of my uber autism. Observe